Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. And in today's video, we are going to look at myleadgensecret review and how you can actually get consistent buyers to your affiliate marketing products. So if you're interested in this, stay tuned because I'm going to hop on my laptop and share with you everything that I know. Okay guys, so here I am on my laptop and I wanted to share with you specifically before I get into it, myleadgensecret review, what it is, how it can help you, what it can do to solve your affiliate marketing journey. But this channel, guys, is all about affiliate marketing tips that you can actually learn to start to generate income and sales online. Now, obviously, what I'm going to be sharing with you today is the strategy that I'm following, the step-by-step process that I'm following, and it is getting me results. So if you want to see the results that is there, or if you want to just follow the same journey and the same steps that I am doing, what I'm going to do is link the group in my group basically in the description of this video where you can get access to it. Now, you do have to answer some questions. Once you do, you get access to this group, and I'm in my group at the moment. And you can see that if you go to the guide section right here, I have a whole affiliate marketing one-on-one training, which goes through everything. And I'm really supporting you guys in this group. So it's crucial that if you do want to follow along in the same exact steps that I'm doing, then you can go ahead and get in that group. Now, let me just share with you some results that this is working. So for example, I just posted this morning at the time of when I'm shooting this video, but you will see it in towards the end of this month because I'm going to be posting this towards the end of this month. It's consistently getting me 100, 200 to even $300 per month just with this method. Okay, so it's very doable, it's achievable. I'm tracking it and I'm sharing my journey on this channel. Now, I'm not going to be talking about so much myleadgensecret as income stream, but more as a traffic source. So what is affiliate marketing, guys? Affiliate marketing is simply where you are sharing a product or service and getting a commission on that. Now, it depends. Obviously, you can buy the product, which I suggest that you do. But also, when you do buy the product and you're sharing it, you can choose your niche and everything else. I'm not going to complicate the whole process. I'm actually going to show you a very simple step-by-step method. So let me just move let me just move this so that you can actually see. This is the whole step-by-step process that I'm following. Now, it's a bigger funnel in itself that I've put together, but this video and these videos that I post every single Monday is to show you how you can leverage myleadgensecret to get to an offer and actually get consistent sales and buyers from this list. Now, I know that myleadgensecret, sometimes people will tell you that it is not good traffic, it's not working for you, but ever since I joined, which I joined in March this year in 2023, guys, I've been using myleadgensecret as a source, and it has been converting for me. I don't have multiple accounts. I just have one account. So if you're a myleadgensecret user, know that this is also a testimonial from my side that I'm just using one account and I'm getting consistent sales every single week to my offer. So that's what I'm doing. I'm sending myleadgensecret to an offer to get sales. Now, this is part of a whole different process that I have called the funded proposal process, or this is the step 1 and step 2 to the phases. And as you can see right here, this is the first step, which we're going to be talking about right now in this video. And then on Fridays, I talk about the second step right here, which helps my conversions. I get to buy better traffic. I don't have to go out of pocket to actually pay for my traffic because of this whole process that I have in place. And this is all that I'm doing. This is all that I'm following. It's realistic results. I'm not going to hype it up to tell you that, you can make X amount or Y, whatever exaggerated numbers that you see on these kind of videos on YouTube, but I want to show you realistic results that is possible when you just get started. Because don't get me wrong, those $5,000 per month, $10,000 per month methods are definitely available for you. But if you are somebody like me who has a full-time job and has just a little bit of time every single day, then you need to leverage some systems that are already in place in order for you to start to generate some sales and consistently grow online. So we're all about learning the skill sets. Obviously, I'm not going to guarantee you that you are going to make money, but this is the process that I'm following. I have all my disclaimers in the description, so you can see that there. And if you do like this content, if you do like the realistic way that I'm sharing it with you, then feel free to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification. Like I said, I'm just documenting my journey here on YouTube. That's all. And if you do want to also get myleadgensecret, it's going to be in the description. So myleadgensecret, let me just do this and share with you this link over right here, because this is the link that you'll find in the description of the video. This is the link that you're going to find in the description of this video, which will basically tell you that you are getting 100 leads every single day. My Legion Secrets is basically an email marketing platform that allows you to send 100 to 200 emails out every single day. And then if those emails convert into sales, that's how you're getting the sales. It can be an income source. It is becoming an income source for myself. It's become now that I don't even have to go out of pocket because I'm earning enough money every single month from this method to even pay for this resource. So now it does cost. It is a paid method. It is a low ticket paid method. As I said, it's not the best quality traffic, but it's not the worst quality traffic. You want to have some kind of source that's always driving traffic. That's the number one skill set as an affiliate marketer. So it costs $60 in the first month to get started, and then it costs $30 every single month after that. Take it for a year, guys. That's what I'm doing. I'm going to be using it for the longest time possible. It's been online since 2019, if I'm not mistaken. So it's got a proven track record. It is showing you also how to utilize emails to get your sales. Now, when you do get started to My Legion Secrets, you'll be taken to this homepage, and there is a quick start video and the resources right here. But just to show you, they populate leads for you every single day. So 100 to 200 leads. I personally have 200 leads because the moment you get access to one affiliate who joins My Legion Secrets, and I'm going to show you that I have 6 affiliates right now, and I'm not promoting this as like an income source. This is becoming, I have 6 people who have joined under me, and I've not really done anything much to get these 6 people to join under me, honestly. If you want it to become a source, an income source, it can be as well. But I don't use it as an income source. I use it as a traffic source. So it populates 200 leads every single day because I have already affiliates there. And I basically send emails out every single day. So let me just go to my statistics, and you can see right here that I'm sending out emails every day. My aim is to get 100 to 300 clicks every single day and improve my emails along the way. This is a process, guys. It's not going to happen overnight. It took me, I think so, the first 14 or 16 days to actually send out emails every single day before I made my first sale. So I'm not going to tell you that you're going to instantly get sales. No, it does take time. And that's why I'm saying keep this source. If you do decide to get it, keep this source for a year before you actually make a decision whether it's working, and focus on the things that actually make sense, which is your copywriting, your emails that you're sending out. You see, My Legion Secrets, guys, is solving 2 problems, in my opinion. One, it's giving you access to 100 to 200 leads every single day, which means it's giving you access to 100 to 200 people that you can send out an email to and get clicks. This is not very easy to do when you're getting started. Most of the time, even with free methods, you're spending a lot of time. For example, and I'm going to use TikTok as an example, or YouTube as an example. You have these free sources, but you're spending so much time to build your audience up and then generate these clicks every single day. So this is going to take you a lot of time. If you have a full-time job, you don't have that time. So for me, it was, okay, I don't have so much time. I need a source that I can pay for every single month. So I'm paying $30 every single month. And I'm now accessing 100 to 200 people every single day, new people every single day. So I can send out emails to them. And then over time, I will generate sales and follow this whole entire process, right? So My Legion Secrets emails, I send an offer and I get a sale. That's pretty much what I'm doing. To give you an idea it's working for me. First and foremost, it's working for me. And like I showed you, I'm making at least $100 every single month with this method. So I'm not, making so much that I can just quit my job at the moment, but it's a good funded proposal. It's a good way to get that cash flow moving, to get a taste of what affiliate marketing is before moving to paid traffic sources or free traffic sources, or trying to get more people onto your list. As you can see from this whole formula, this is the first method. And then the sales that I do make, I purchase more traffic. So I pay for my traffic. I use paid traffic only. I mean, I do have free things available, but I'm focusing only on paid traffic, and I'm documenting that journey. I'm not documenting the free marketing that I'm doing. I'm documenting the paid. So the paid traffic that I'm doing then is building up my email list. Without this first step, I wouldn't have money to spend for my paid traffic because of just the bills that you need to pay every single month. Everybody has their own struggles, right? So I'm just trying to find a way that's low cost to get started. So it was just $30 every single month. I'm sending it an offer, which I own, which I've owned for the longest time. And I'm just following this method. So I send out an email, and right now I actually have about 12,900 leads, but I'm sending only to 9,000 people because they have this limit of 9,000, and then you can request My Legion Secrets to get this limit away. But I'm keeping it at this limit because I know that with this limit, if I select, for example, all 9,000, the ones that I'm not sending to are the older leads. So I'm sending to the newer leads, which is good. At a certain point, I guess once I hit the limit, I will try to go back to the old leads and keep using my list. But for now, I'm just sending it to 9,000 people every single day because this is the limit that I've hit. And I'm getting about 100, 200 clicks. You can see that if I go back right here to the other pages, I've even got 300 clicks, 320 clicks here. You can see that it's getting good traction in my opinion. And the only thing that I focus on to convert these leads is the emails that I'm sending out, guys. The emails that I'm sending out, I'm trying to make sure that I'm writing emails that talk about the offer, that show people when they go and they click and they go to the sales page of the offer, it is congruent. It is the same topic. It is not something random that I'm talking about, but it's something that is exactly related. So for example, it could be 3 positive things, 3 negative things. What is it solving? Those are the kind of emails that I'm writing to make those conversions. All in all, in my journey online so far, as I said, I'm making about, and I can go to Warrior Plus and show you, but I've made with just one product almost 20 sales since I got started. And it's literally in the last 3 months that I have been using this platform, it's generated me at least $100 every month, which means that I'm making easily more than I'm making a profit on having this traffic source because of the way that I'm sending the emails. So how do I send the emails? What am I doing? I'm just going to open a random emails to show you how it is. It can be small email. It can be a long email, but let me go ahead and actually show you the latest email that I sent you so that you can see. So for example, this has a very simple subject line, which also takes from the actual email, right? So there are a few elements that I'm using here that make sense. So I'm talking to the user. So I'm adding the first name as there. And then I'm sharing a little bit about my journey and what it has done for me, that I'm not using shortcuts. I'm not using loopholes. I am definitely doing things that help me succeed in affiliate marketing. And then I have just one link here. I don't complicate it. I have one link and I have my picture and then I have a PS link, which is the same as the top. During the week, this is what I'm doing. So I'm adding 2 opportunities. So if they click here or they click here, they go to the same offer. And if they click my image, then they'll get to My Lead Gen Secret. So it's just like My Lead Gen Secrets is just like an extra income that might come from one of these emails. And sometimes I've got multiple sales. I've got the same person who's purchase the product and purchase My Lead Gen Secrets. Is this a buyer's list? Am I getting consistent buyers to my affiliate programs this way? Yes. Now you can use Warrior Plus. You can use ClickBank. I personally use Warrior Plus. So let me just go to Warrior Plus and show you. I use Warrior Plus and let me go to my dashboard. You can see right here. These are the consistent sales that I'm getting. Okay, so that is sales coming in. And even if I go to transactions and I just put in the last time that I'm just going to use this month that I've been there, you can see that 11 sales, all from My Lead Gen Secrets, over $200 in sales and $160 in commissions that I've earned just with this My Lead Gen Secrets. And it goes on, guys. This is results. This is proof that I cannot make up. I'm sharing with you exactly what works. Okay, so I use Warrior Plus, but you can use ClickBank as clickbank.com as a network that you can use in order to get some products and share it there, or even Digistore 24, if I'm not mistaken. So this is another place that you can use. These are networks that you can use to find a product or service and then follow this exact strategy that I'm sharing right here, which is My Lead Gen Secrets an offer, and then finally you get the sale, right? That's all. But My Lead Gen Secrets is working. If you have any questions regarding it, all I do is I come here once a day. I spend 5 minutes on an email. I send out an email with links so that when people click on the links, they make a buying decision. Will it guarantee me any sales? No, but I'm focusing on the skill set again of email marketing. And the only other skill set as an affiliate marketer I need to know is traffic generation. Traffic generation, I personally use paid methods for my traffic generation. And this is one of the ways that I am generating traffic to my affiliate offers. So guys, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification and drop me a like as well, because sometimes the algorithm really helps to boost my videos. And if you're interested in My Lead Gen Secrets or anything else, the links are all in the description. I'm going to see you guys on the next video and next week. But during the week, I have 2 more videos coming out, so stay tuned for that. And if you have the bell notification on, you will get a notification to the new videos that I post. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. And I hope you're enjoying the process of affiliate marketing just like I am. Have a great day. See you on the next one.